Today we're going to be making some decorative skulls with flowers, and you just need to go to the dollar store or the craft store or Amazon and buy some fake flowers, some different types of leaves. There's all sorts. They don't have to be Halloween related. They can be spring flowers in various colors because you want a mix of dark and light. They also have some Halloween flowers right now. This is, I think, is supposed to be a thistle. This is a gorgeous black and purple peony. They have all sorts of fun things. Butterflies, mosses. So you're not gonna need all of the flowers. So just pick out a few of your favorites, and you will need a hot glue gun and something to cover your table from the glue. And really all you do is you kind of hold things up in various ways to make sure that it's the right proportion. Like you don't want too big or too many flowers, you need just a few. And I like to start with the leaves first and then layer up some flowers. And be careful with the hot glue because obviously it can be hot and you might need a popsicle stick or something to press down until it dries. And at first it's gonna look a little weird because you're layering. And to get the flowers to be individual, you just pull them off of these sticks and they're left with these sticks. And you can use this to press down on your glue. And the leaves kind of give a base for the other things to hold on to. And you will have a couple of strings of stray glue. You can get those at the end when they cool down a little bit. This skull I got from Dollar Tree. It's just plastic that was already sprayed in kind of a iridescent purple and green. And this is kind of a fun activity even for kids, as long as they're careful about the glue. And if you want to put little flowers in the eyes or a bunch of moss draping down, you can definitely do that. There's no rules, it's however you want it to look. I think I'm gonna put some more leaves. And I'm using a high temperature hot glue gun, but if you want to use the littler ones for kids that are not quite as hot and have that skinnier glue, you could do that. And less is more, so I still need a few more, but don't go too crazy. But I do want to use my butterfly somewhere. I think maybe I can put a dot of glue there and hopefully get it to stick. And like there, you can see my glue. I want to get something on top of my glue that hides that, whether that's a leaf or a little bit of moss, both would work. I do like this little fern. I'm just going to press it down with this stick because these ferns don't have a lot to protect your hands. Like the petals sort of protect you. And that is not wanting to stick. So I have glue on the bottom. I'm going to put some glue on the top as well. I should be able to get flower in there too. So I like the white flower and the black leaves. That's cool. And right now it's kind of asymmetrical more on this side, which is how I like mine to be. You can go all the way around, but then that looks more like a headband or a crown, which is fine, like you do your own deal. Get some a little bit on the back here. I mean, mine is mostly going to be seen from the front. But I want to fill in a little bit there. And for thicker stems, you might need some wire snips. Maybe just some leaves. But I could maybe stick a few more flowers on the back of my little ones. All right, I think it might be done. Let's see. Maybe another leaf, and hopefully this will pop off and I'll be able to show you. Yeah, so leaves just pull right off just the same way as flowers. There we go. And kind of hide some of those stems in glue. All right. It's looking pretty good. I will do a little cleanup and we'll zoom in.